Some things never get old, man. This is the next wave. And y'all know, when it comes to Patta and the wave joints, I had them all. They didn't give us no bracelets this time, though. But y'all remember this. Bracelets, bracelets, bracelets. Yes, sir. So like I said, it's some similarities, some differences. You still got the wave look. The material got better, guys. I don't know if it's because it's leather instead of UNBOX suede now, but they definitely did something with the material, man. I'm still bummed about the bracelet, but I'll probably get over it. Hit the B-roll. Jones on the soundtrack. I think a little something like this. Yes, sir, man. Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. If you haven't, you know all the stuff the YouTubers say. Just do one for your boy. Today we're doing an in-depth review on the next wave Patta Dark Russet or Dark Russet. I got them mixed up with the mushroom joints. Like I showed y'all in the preview, I had them all, man. The blue joints, the original brown orange joints, the mushroom joints that look similar to these, and now these. This one is the latest in the next wave Patta Air Max. They even changed the quote this time. This time the quote is "Each one teach one." It's an old African quote that's still being taught today, and Patta's known for that. So I got these off the Patta website Thursday, I believe they dropped. And for the capture to get rid of the bots, that was the question. What is the quote? Each one teach one. That's what you had to do to get these. But to be honest, the Patta Air Max don't really be sought after. And maybe because there's so many colorways now, but it's just something with Patta that people really don't run to. But y'all know what I say. Don't buy what's hype, buy what you like. And I really like these, man. So let's unbox them. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So if you've seen any of my reviews with this sneaker, the box used to be black with colorful writing all around it. This time it's white with your platinum silver for you look mirror writing. So on the side of the box you got Patta, Nike. Dope look, guys. On the front it says Team Patta, and on the sides you got that Nike look again, and then here you got PGLFA. You see it? And on the top, huge, it says each one, teach one, as I told y'all earlier. Flip open the lid. You got some dope space. Let's bring this out. So it says Eternal. Has like a skeleton or zombie or something reading a Patta book. in that original orange colorway. If you didn't get it, that's the original colorway of the Wave Patta Air Max. And that orange with a red writing that reads education, Nike Patta. And then you turn it around and it says the same thing. So this is the tissue paper on top of the sneaker box inside. After that, you got your regular tissue paper. And let's start with the left shoe. Here go your next Wave Patta Dark Russet or Russet with the metallic silver. You have to say that because you see that silver glittering. And here's a 360 view of it. Boom. So let's start with the toe box. This is not the first time we've seen this toe box, but I think this toe box is what makes this sneaker so unique and makes me like it. That silver mesh look in the inside is super dope. It looked better with the blue, but I can't lie, I like it with the dark Russet too. Once you leave the toe box, it bleeds in a little bit more at further the sneaker go up. But if you look around the toe box, this dark Russet, if you look, you see it shining, but the color gets darker as it gets to the bottom. So you have like light brown or dark Russet, but you see it gets darker as you go down the shoe. Sort of like a burnt. And that's on both sides all the way around. You see it? Looks like someone just put more Vaseline at the bottom than the top. But that's all around the shoe. There go your mini swoosh in that same metallic silver as the toe box. And you know we love a mini swoosh. Come up, speaking of swooshes, look how that silver flashes behind that dark Russet. These sneakers are underrated, guys. Your shoes, your shoelace eyes is in a nice blue, which is a throw off because it's the only color of blue you see all through the sneaker. But that's on both sides. And being that we here, you get a large hang tag, Jordan 4 style, that says each one teach one with the Patta logo. And it's semi-translucent as you still can see the sneaker in the background. The air bubble at the bottom, clear air bubble. Inside cream, white mud guard bottom. And you can see the waves. This is why they call them waves, guys. Come around the back, you got your classic Nike Air logo. And I'm sorry, that is in the same blue as this. So we do get the blue again. 1, 2, 3. See, I should have waited to see the back. And I love a Nike Air on the back. That gives you that OG vibes. And coming back up, you see more of that metallic silver around it. And then your ankle line in the inside of the sneaker is where you get that mushroom look. So that's why you can kind of get confused with the mushroom Patta wave joints, because it has that same purple mushroom look on the inside of the ankle. If you look at the tongue, you got like a metallic brown or gold copper penny look around the tongue, which is dope. And I like how the tongue sports the same material as the sneaker. Usually they go mesh with the tongue, but it's the same material as the overall sneaker with the Patta logo right there, Air Max sign. The insoles reads Patta big in that blue. You only can see the PA though. There you go. And your bottom has the same Air Max look that we seen on almost Air Max in this silhouette. Air there, flap there, mud guard. So again, like I told y'all, it's a lot of similarities, a lot of difference. As far as the overall sneaker, it's spot on, just like the original waves. It's just this leather material here is super dope, man. I don't know why these are being like slept on, but the material is A1. The box is a change. It went from white to black. The quote is different. Each one teach one. The first one was, Patta has love for all. Like I told y'all, man, Patta loves me. Patta has love for all, I believe. I believe it was love for all the first time around. So that changed. Still has to do with education. Shout out to Patta for that. But we just ain't getting no bracelets, man. The bracelet is not a buzzkill. It was dope to get those bracelets. I had like 4 or 5 of them, but it's not a buzzkill, man. And it made StockX all crazy because when you was trying to sell or buy on StockX, it was saying with bracelet, without bracelet. Trust me, you don't need the bracelet, man. Unless you're a female. The females, I can see why you want the bracelet. Us men, we really didn't need the bracelet. But it was a dope look. I like the sneaker, man. I like how they put the mini swoosh there instead of in the middle there like everyone does. Actually, the sneakers I have on, has the same mini swoosh. So that's the only reason why I showed y'all those, man. But I don't get to wear them much anyway. But yeah, the dark Russets, man. I really like these. Let me know in the comment section below if you was able to cop. I think I paid $180. Shipping was a little crazy because, you know, Patta's overseas. Maybe like $208 or $210 when they finally got to me. But I like them, man. If I had to choose a favorite color, it would still be the blue or that original orange. But this was sliding third for me. Definitely above the mushroom joints. It was sliding third. Let me know how y'all feel about these. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.